For over 100 years, the Eveleigh Locomotive workshop was the largest and most technologically advanced blacksmith workshop in the Southern Hemisphere. It was closed in 1988 and was repurposed as public housing. Nowadays, after the redevelopment, it's modern. There is offices, museum, coffee shop, other shops, and it's great and vibrant destination to visit in Sydney. When you visit it, you're gonna spend a lot of time looking at this workshop and imagine the work that was done there. A lot of the tools are saved and displayed. You would be able to see them, and it's just absolutely pleasure to walk through and enjoy your day. You would be able to read a lot of information, a lot of history facts around the place. Also, you would be able to see a lot of original paperwork from the time. Some of the tools are so unique, you've probably never seen it before. And then, of course, when you get tired, you can sit and relax in this beautiful place where you can have something to drink, something to eat, and just enjoy. This building is one of the most significant heritage buildings of the New South Wales. So if you come to Sydney, don't miss it. I definitely recommend it to go and see it and enjoy your day there.